I remember seeing a bird.
Oh my God, what happened? Oh my God, where's this? Did you see what happened? What happened?
Oh my God, he came from out of nowhere.
Where's his mother?
Oh
my God, be careful with him. Back the car up, get it off of him, back it up! Where's this? I just can't do this anymore.
Don't worry, I got it. I got it.
Are you gonna go or what?
Do you think we should do something?
I'll call 911. Chloe, I told you I did not want you out on those streets anymore. You got it? You got it? I have worked too hard and done too much for you to keep me out on these streets where you could get hurt. Mommy's okay, baby. I just had to help somebody out. Isaiah?
I left him here with you. I'll go upstairs and look for him.
Hello? Yes. Yes. Yes, I do have a son. Yes, he's wearing camouflage pants. What are you trying to say? No, he's got dark hair. He's about 3.5 foot tall. What are you telling me? I don't understand what you're saying. What do you mean? Why are you saying this? All right. I will.
I love you.